The Shock Puzzle by Professor Puzzle. It's not a too difficult puzzle. It's easy to take apart. You just need for a sliding piece. The big one is always sliding. Normally we should have two. When it's like that, puzzle fall easily apart. The problem is to put back together. I have a loose puzzle and I really need some time at certain. Okay. Okay, that was the fun part, taking apart. We have 6 pieces like that. We have 2 small pieces with 2 cutouts. Where is my second one? Ah, here, okay. 2 pieces like that. And we have 16 pieces like that. To reassemble the puzzle, we just take 2 pieces like that and 6 pieces like that first. Go and try to do that like that. See, when it's really loose and that does not stay in place. Okay, put 1 piece like that, piece on the side. Oop. If I can. Okay. I'll try. Okay. Like I said, it's not easy. I really need a third hand to do it. Okay, I will try maybe like that. Okay, like that. We need to do the same on the other hand. Okay, I'm going to try. Yes. Okay. When it's done, we take 2 other pieces like that and 3 small ones, and we make exactly the same at the end of these 2 pieces. Yeah. Come on. Ah. Like I say, it's not easy name. Okay. Start one more time. Like that. This one go like that. And I need one. Yeah, I succeed. Okay. No, this piece going to go inside of that one. Donc we're going to take delicately this piece. I want to try to slide this piece inside. Okay. Et évidemment, And the little piece fall apart. Okay. Yeah, for some reason, like I say, it's not difficult, it's just tricky. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Done. No. I need to slide these two pieces inside. One on this side and one on the other side. No. One try to move one piece like that and slide this one here. And when it's done, I'm going to repush this one inside. Should do it. Yes. Okay. Now, same, we need to build exactly the same end here. Okay, I'm gonna try. First side this other piece. I'm gonna slide two pieces like that and two pieces like that. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, no, I have to slide this piece here. Yes, ooh, I made it. Oh, whew. No, I'm going to take two pieces like that and slide this piece here on its side. I'm going to delicately move the puzzle. I try to take the puzzle up and keep okay. The trick is to take the puzzle in such a way that one piece can move down like that, and you can put this piece like that, and after move the puzzle down, and that part of the puzzle is done. We need to do exactly the same on this side. So we just slide these two pieces like that, and now the last piece. Like I say, you have to take delicately the puzzle in your hand and try to have one of these pieces moving done like that. When it's done, you take this piece, slide like that, and you move back this piece up. Something it's not right. Okay, yes, I made it. Okay, and the puzzle is solved. If the puzzle was more tight, it would be much easier. Like I say, my puzzle is so loose, it's difficult to do. It was Chuck Puzzle from Professor Puzzle. And I don't know if there is a rating on the puzzle. They say difficulty 2. Hey, I think it's right. Thank you for watching and see you next time.